let's have a pre-market game plan of EURUSD. So on the daily time frame, as you can see, price has opened and gap down and overall structure is bearish. Obviously price has already tapped into this particular order block and obviously has been reacting from it. So on 4 hour current price has already engulfed the previous one, even though the candle still has left like more than an hour, nearly 2 hours left for this candle to close and confirm that it has engulfed the bearish move. But even though it has, let's say it has engulfed, but that doesn't mean our trend is changed because we are bearish. Price is currently sitting at this bearish order block, so can't ignore that one. So according to that, we are bearish in 4 hour as well. On N15, as usual, price has taken liquidity from Asia high, and also it has taken liquidity from day open. Now, since my bias is bearish, its structure is bearish, so obviously I would like to look for a sell short position. Then all I need is a market structure shifts because liquidity has taken place. One box is filled now. So once I have the market structure shift, then I would like to jump in with the short position like this, while targeting either this low or that low. It would be far more logical for me to target this one than that one. Now let's see how it turn out, or it can be like no trades for today because price might not even give a market structure shift toward downside. It's all about timing, and let's see how it turn out.
So for right now, I have executed on this trade. As you can see on here, my execution was around this point. Yep, my SL goes above this one, and TP is, yeah, only 3R is what I'm expecting from this one. So basically, if I have to break this down, then the reason was pretty simple. So overall bias is bearish, and after this liquidity taken, all I'm looking for was market structure shift. So here we go, there was a shift in this one, but didn't take the entry on there because I was waiting for price to break below this order block. But then price chose to respect this one instead of breaking below, created this engulfing candle, then take the liquidity above here. So yeah, it was a safe move by me, and then later on price shown that it was struggling to go break above this one, this high, and turn out breaking below this one. And yeah, according to plan, once it has broken, I set my limit order there, and now we are ready to move bearish. I'm expecting a move below, but if I have to look at the things that are against me, then yeah, obviously this order block is against me, so price might reverse from here and I might get kicked out from my position. So tricky situation, and I'm with 1%. Let's see. Here you go. It was a really quick one. In one candle I got fucked, and so yeah, cannot complain about anything because it was expected, and I was aggressive on this one. So let's understand why I got an L on this one. So basically price has taken this liquidity, so, and also my bias was bearish. Here you can see the bearish area from which I expect the price to move bearish, but the one thing was missing, and that is the power of 3 actual, I mean last thing of the power of 3, and that is market structure shift. So yeah, we got a normal market structure shift on here, but it wasn't as qualified as a strong one. So I had waited at first, as I mentioned before, but then I was like, okay, since price has broken this one, so yeah, there is a chance for me to kick in. So I mean, it was an aggressive one. It couldn't be in two ways, whether price move above then break structure, I mean shift the market structure and we go bearish, or it just keep moving bullish and we do nothing for today. But it is what it is. Last week was a great week, and this week start wasn't strong in terms of P&L. But yeah, I've learned what was the mistake. The mistake was being aggressive, and let's say if I want to be aggressive and cut the mistake, then I could have been lowered my position sizing. In that way, it would be far better for me to have this rate. It is what it is. Let's see tomorrow. See ya.